अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वल आक़िबतु लिल मुत्तक़ीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल मुरसलीन मुहम्मदिन व आलिहि व सहबिहि अजमईन अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अलिफ लाम मीम ज़ालिकल किताबु ला रैब फ़ीहि हुदल लिल मुत्तक़ीन। वो मुअज़्ज़ज़ थे ज़माने में मुसलमान होकर और हम ख्वार हुए तारके कुरान होकर। ऑनरेबल एल्डर्स एंड फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। In today's gathering, I wish to mention before you that holy and blessed book which is full of goodness and blessing, overflowing with guidance and wisdom, completely free from any doubt, the one that distinguishes between truth and falsehood, the one that brings people out of darkness of misguidance and ignorance into the path of guidance and the straight path. That is the subject of my speech, is virtues of the Holy Quran. I am content that you will listen to me attentively. Respected listeners, in countless verses of the Holy Quran, Allah Almighty has described the greatness, sanctity and the miraculous nature of the Holy Quran. Somewhere He says that the Quran is a book in whose truth there is no room for doubt. And somewhere He says that the Quran is a book revealed by the Lord of the world who is Almighty and All-Wise. And somewhere He says that only a person with ablution can touch the Quran. And somewhere He says and commands are eternal, which must be followed, and no one has authority to change them. And somewhere He Quran is recited, listen to it attentively, remain so that Allah's mercy may descend upon you. Strong, through whose recitation the rust of heart is removed and heart becomes enlightened. As a poet beautiful said, जहाँ में इनकलाब आया है कुरान की तिलावत से, जहाँ में इनकलाब आया है कुरान की तिलावत से, मुनव्वर है जहाँ कुरान के नूर सदाकत से. Therefore, O Muslim, today let us all pledge, as long as we live, we will keep our hearts enlightened with the recitation of the Quran. We will connect our children with the teaching of the Quran and go to the every corner of the world to preach the commands of the Quran. I complete my speech with this verse. दुनिया के शायरों के दीवान पढ़ के देखो, दुनिया के शायरों के दीवान पढ़ के देखो, फिर उसके बाद रब का कुरान पढ़ के देखो, आंखें भी होगी मुनव्वर, दिल भी बनेगा गुलशन, तुम एक दफ़ा सूरह रहमान पढ़ के देखो. It is a prayer to Allah Almighty that He grants us ability to act upon these things. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.